Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we have a discussion about agricultural biotechnology. Before we proceed to our discussion, let us introduce about ourselves. First, my name is Muhammad Faizan bin Kukum as a moderator today.
My name is Mashaira Betul Yusuf and also as moderator today.
My name is Nur Afizani binti Muhammad Nasir.
My name is Nur Afifah binti Muhammad Lazim.
My name is Tan Xiaoting.
Okay, thanks for that introduction. Okay, today we have a discussion about agricultural biotechnology. Nowadays, agricultural biotechnology has become popular in our country. Agricultural biotechnology, also known as agrotech. As agritech. The existence of it brings benefit to our human living. So I want to ask Yani as the first panelist today, what is about definition of agricultural biotechnology and its benefits?
Okay, thank you Faizat. Okay, agricultural biotechnology is a collection of a scientific technique used to improve plant, animals and microorganisms. Okay, the benefit is to enhance plant growth and to multiply agricultural product, and also the agricultural biotechnology used to create a resistant plants and also to reduce environmental pollution and reduce production costs.
Oh, okay, Yani. Okay, what Yani says, agriculture is about scientific tools that can modify our living organism.
So, how you use agriculture technology?
Okay, thank you Ira. So biotechnology provides farmers with tools that can make production cheaper and more management. For example, some biotechnology crops can be engineered to tolerate specific hybrid, which make weed control simpler and more efficient. Other crops have been engineered to be resistant to specific plant disease and insect pests, which can make pest control more reliable and efficient.
So, from what Fifa already said, so we all know about agriculture biotechnology can give many benefit to farmer, right?
Yes.
So next
Okay.
question.
Okay, our next question is to Ms. Tan. Okay, Ms. Tan, can you explain about what is molecular markers?
Okay, thank you for the question.
Yeah.
Okay, molecular markers identify as a genetic marker and is based on individual genetic material with the molecule sequence based on genetic material. And DNA level is a direct reaction of the genetic polymorphism. And molecular markers are almost unlimited. And at the different stage of the biological development, different tissue of DNA can be used for marker analysis. And molecular markers reveal the variation of DNA and show nature do not affect the expansion of target tracks and no tracks without Lincoln detection of mean, simple and rare.
Yeah, thanks to Ms. Tan. That is quite good explaining about molecular markers.
Okay.
So next, we start again with Cik Afizani. Can you explain about molecular diagnostic?
Okay, thank you again. Okay, actually molecular diagnostic is a method used to identify particular disease in DNA or RNA. This technique also used to monitor the diseases and the risk of disease detected, so we can make the carefully decision for a treatment. Special analysis of the patient and their disease molecular diagnosis diagnostic, feature enable personalized medicine. Okay, so that's all for molecular diagnostic.
So from what Cik Afzani said, we know about DNA and RNA tests to make a crop height resistant to face other diseases, right?
Okay, thanks Zahira for asking Yani that question. Okay, we move to the next question. Okay, Miss Afifa, can you explain to us how is agricultural biotechnology is used? Oh, okay. Sorry. Can you explain about what is tissue culture?
Okay. Tissue culture is a process of removing a specific part of the leaf that selected plant to be extract the needed cell or tissue. Then the selected tissue or cell will be placed in media and incubate with proper oxygen supply and the right temperature. After that, the tissue culture will multiply and then form plant. So it can transplant to greenhouse because tissue culture plants are highly sensitive to the tolerant natural environment condition.
Okay. From what Mr. Afifa said, that tissue culture is about to separate a specific part of plants that has good characteristic, good resistance of disease to be extracted. So, Sarina, do you have some question?
Okay. About tissue culture, mesti about tissue culture. Did you use that? Okay. Okay. Lastly, we are moved to a question to Miss Tan. Can you explain about vaccine?
Okay. Vaccines is a biological preparation that provide active agricultural immunity to a particular disease. And vaccines create immunity that protect you from an infection without causing the suffering of an infection of the disease itself. And sometimes vaccines are called immunizations or needles or shots. And standard vaccines usually contains an agent that resemble a disease-causing microorganism, and it is made it from precursors or core form of the microbe. It is a toxic of one is a surface protein, and the agents the body immune system to recognize the agents as a threat, destroy it, and keep a record on it. And so that the immune system can more easily recognize and destroy any of the microorganisms that is later encountered.
Okay, so what thing can you do in laboratory?
Okay. Thanks for our panelists for the question that we asked. Okay. Actually, today we have two special guests. Today, that is Miss Masita and Miss Amy. Actually, they are regular consumer of agricultural biotechnology product. So we want to invite them to asking in what they feels. Are they feel satisfied about agricultural biotechnology product or not? Okay, hi, Miss Masita and Miss Amy. Thanks for coming today. Okay, we have some questions to ask about agricultural biotechnology. Okay, I want to ask the first question. Okay, the first question is about, do you feel satisfied about agricultural biotechnology? Okay, Miss Masita.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Masita binti Milad. I think for this question, I'm very satisfied with agriculture biotechnology. This is because the agriculture give many donation. For example, discover of livestock breeds and plant to seed of a better quality and more resistant, which can result in produce of more fast and high quality. Many example we can give for this case. For example, the hybrid sheep Australia with local goat, the hybrid of local setter to brief setter from New Zealand, and the discover of the seed of lemon and star fruit, honey, fruit, olive and fruit to another. Next, the discovery of the new gen and seed better bring a brief hope for the agriculture sector employer to participate more activities.
Okay, how about you, Miss Amy?
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Yes, I'm very proud and satisfied of using agricultural products because they have many benefits. First, agriculture products is increasing the food supply by instituting a vastly the improved degree of cooperation across the entire global food chain. Second, improving the affordability of foods by using new and existing technology and optimal productivity practice. And then using agricultural product also increasing sustainability that through a highly productive and efficient system that simultaneously protects the environment.
Okay, let me start. Us again. Question again with Miss Masita. How you use product agriculture biotechnology?
Okay, one of the way that I ask in agriculture biotechnology is transgenic. Transgenic plant are plant that are already in the mix by DNA that is foreigner to the nature of the need. DNA is derived from a varieties of different plant species. Okay, transgenic is to produce crop genetics engineering, and I need of the nature of the vector and this right.
Okay. So last question. We ask Miss Ami, did tissue culture give benefit to your crop?
Okay, thank you. The tissue culture is give benefits to my crops because as we know, tissue culture is a process that involve processing plant tissue to specific regimens of stem cell or hormones and the likes sterile in vitro condition to produce many new plant. Okay, each a clone of the mother of plant over a very short period of time. So we know tissue culture are findings and commercializing new and exciting plant varieties that will surprise and delight customer. Okay, the benefit is the process of tissue culture guarantee of to be disease free disease. So my products are the best choice of from customer. Okay, then have a more fibrous help their root systems and free of any roots or of problems. Okay, tissue culture are characterized by more very vigorous growth after transplanting and have a higher survival rates. And we are ready for resales in shorter times. That's the benefit of tissue culture.
Okay, thanks for Miss Masita and Miss Amy.
So thank you also. Give a good feedback, Miss Cik Ami and Miss Ami and Miss Masita.
Yeah, we hope that is a quite good sharing, and we hope people out there aware about the good benefit of agricultural biotechnology. So we have heard the explanation of agricultural biotechnology from our panelists. So there are many benefits of using it, and we can't deny agricultural biotechnology is a good platform to our better life. Okay, thanks for our discussion.